Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is the Deep Coding. Okay, hey guys. So as I promised before, I'm going to show you how to set up a continuous integration server with Travis CI in order for you to get the deployments automatically and get all those tests automatically also. Okay. So first of all, what I want to do is I'm going to go to travisci.org, and that's the one that I want you to use, travis-ci.org, because travis-ci.com also exists but does a paid service, and this is not a paid service. You can use this for free for open source, and that's what we need, right? Okay, so first of all, we will need something that's called a configuration file for that Travis for Travis to be available to us. So skip this. I don't want this to see my viewers. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is to create that Travis YAML file. So I'm going to open Xcode. Okay, I'm going to open Xcode, and as you can see, all my tests are passing. And if I press Command U again, all my tests are still passing, and that's the way we want it to be. And before continuing anything, I said we were going to set up a continuous integration server. So in order to use Travis CI, we will need a YML file. So let's create that. So I'm going to, okay, I'm pressing Command Space and I'm typing terminal to open the terminal here. All right. Now here I'm typing CD, and in CD I'm just dragging and dropping the directory, and since I want the directory above this one, I'm going to delete all of this, and I'm here in the directory. To make sure you are in the right directory, you just type git status, and you should have something like this. Okay. So what I want to do is create a YML file. So what I'm going to do is going to type touch and dot touch dot travis dot yml. So that will be the name of the file. Okay. After that, I'll know that I'll have that file here. Okay. So if I go here, not there, the Finder, where am I? Documents, iOS projects. Okay. I'm pressing Command Shift H, Command Shift H, Command Shift H to go to the home directory, on Documents, iOS projects. Yes, over here it is. Emblem calculator. This is emblem date calculator. Yeah, the other one is personality, and shift dot to see all my Command Shift dot. Okay, so what I did was I pressed Command Shift dot to show all the hidden files, and to unshow the hidden files again, you just press Command Shift dot. Okay, so I'm pressing Command Shift dot, and there I'm getting this file over here, and I can open it with Sublime Text. Okay, so first of all, this Travis YML file, what it needs is this is just a configuration, and Travis likes it this way, so we're going to follow the guidelines. Okay, so I'm going to type OS, and the OS for this is OS X, because we're running right now in my Mac. Okay, I'm going to explain that later, but right now all the tests are are going through this Mac process. Okay, OS X. Okay, then the other thing we need to type in is OS X underscore image colon, and this will be Xcode 11.3. You need to have the same version as your Xcode of the Xcode version, and make sure the Travis CI is compatible with it. Okay, so I know that Xcode 11.3 is now compatible with Travis CI, so I'm just putting 11.3. Okay, so if you want to know which version of Xcode do you have, you go to this Xcode menu and click on About Xcode. And here you see I have 11.3.1, and that's my Xcode version. Okay, so you must be aware that you will need to put your own Xcode version with that file, and make sure the Travis CI is compatible right now. Because if you're seeing this video right now on 2020, it will be 11.3, and that's okay, that will be fine. But if you're watching this video in the future, like in 2025, then I'm guessing the Xcode version was updated, and I don't know if it was synced with Travis CI. So just keep that in mind. That's why I'm overstressing this. Okay, I'm going to my Sublime text that I was editing. So my Xcode image is 11.3. Okay. Next, what do I want to write here is the language column, and the language right now I'm going to use is Swift, because we're using Swift. Okay, that's no brainer. Right, and the next step, this is a little bit more complicated than that, so I want to let you know what this is going to do. Okay, so I'm going to type script, and this is all the series of steps that Travis CI will execute. And since we already told it it's an OS X Xcode 11.3 and it's in Swift, it will understand immediately what we're going to do. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to type Xcode build like this, Xcode build, and I'm going to do clean. Okay, so what this does, it will clean the solution before doing anything else. After that, I'm going to build the solution. Okay, so it first cleans the solution and then it builds it. Like whenever we build a solution for any project, when we press Command Shift B, that is building the solution. So that's the same here. And then I'm going to write test here, and I need to give it a parameter. Okay, so the parameter that I need to give it is the project, which project I'm going to test. Okay, and the project I'm going to test is this one, emblem date calculator. Make sure to spell it right. If you don't spell it right, you're gonna mess things up. .xcode proj. Okay, so that's the project that I'm going to build it. Okay. Afterwards, I need another parameter. So we set a parameter with this dash. So I put dash scheme, and the scheme right now. What I want, I'll put in quotes. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so on Xcode you can have different schemes. So right now, just to not overcomplicate things, I'm going to use this same scheme. This scheme is called emblem date calculator also, so I'm gonna use that. For different purposes, you should use different schemes. And I'll talk about that later in another video. Okay. So for now, let's just put here emblem date calculator, just like that. We don't need the suffix here. Okay. Yep, that's almost done. And afterwards, I'm going to write this stuff. So it's code sign identity identity, and I'm going to put this code sign identity. I'm going to put it blank because we don't need it, and we also need to do code sign in underscore required, and we don't need this. So this is how you you type it. You type it with big fat no there, okay? And that's it. After this, we just have to commit and push and see what happens in Travis CI, okay? So I'm gonna save this. I'm pressing Command S. This will save it. And also on my Git status, I have this file that I haven't committed yet. So I'm going to type git -am, and I'm going to say added Travis YML file for continuous integration purposes. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's git commit. You see, git commits -am. There we go. Added Travis YML file for continuous. I'm gonna type it. Continuous integration purposes. Why didn't add? If you have these problems, you just type git add dot, and then you write git commit -m, and you'll say add YML file for continuous integration purposes. Okay, so I have one file change for insertions. Okay, that's it, and I'm going to git push this. Okay. And that should be it. So let me go to Travis CI and see if it did something, right? Because that's what we want to see. Travis CI.org. Didn't do anything. Why? Dashboard. Oh, okay. So yeah, I forgot a very important step. You gotta enable this. Okay, if you don't enable this, this is not gonna work. Okay. So I'm enabling this, and now the embedded data calculator it's on for builds. Let's do another build just to make it work. Let me just I'll put a space here just for you to show you git status, git commit am, added space after enabling project on Travis CI. Okay. Git push origin. No, just git push. I know it's in master. And that's it. So we're gonna see on Travis CI what happened. Nothing. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, it's not nothing. Okay. Okay. Let me just show you. if you go to your dashboard, if you go to your repository and you check your organizations, the organization you have it, and then you check your repository here, and you click on build history, you're going to see it's trying to build. Okay, so it has received this and it's trying to build, and if you're here in booting virtual machine, you're okay. Also, you can view the config that is here. And why the freak it's saying Objective C? Okay, it is not gonna work. Yes, it says Objective. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it updated. Okay, so I tested on my local machine. It's working now. So let me see what happens if I try pushing it. Okay, let me just get rid of that space here. Command S, and then git status, git add dot, git commit dash m, deleted unused space, and see if Travis CI is working. Git push. Let me refresh this Travis CI page, build history. I have another one, view config. Still saying is this fun? Hey guys, I found the error, but I found, you know what, I found the error very late here. I had to rewatch the video to see it, and what I did was that, let me show you here this travis.yml. Okay, this travis.yml, I had a space here, right? I had a space here. You were like, maybe you were like on the screen, no, there's no space there. Yeah, there's no space here, right? And with no space, then it works. Okay, so this is the thing of programming. So it can be on your noses, and until you don't fix it or teach it or have the problem, you will not learn. So I currently just let to get your hands dirty and to learn on it. Okay, I'm just going to save this, and then going to push this. Its status. Let me see. Okay, git add, git commit dash m. Xcode 11.3 had a space. And that's why Travis CI was not working correctly. Oh, sorry, git add dot, and then git commit dash m. Xcode 11.3 had a space, and this should be with no spaces in order for Travis CI to work correctly. And just read the documentation. No changes stage. Why? I'll reset git add dot, git status. Commit. Let's try doing here. Xcode 11.3 should have no spaces. in order for Travis CI to work. Commit. And I'm pushing also, okay? So now on Travis CI, build history. You see it was now passing because I already tested that. And I'm going to see the config now. The config is now Xcode 11.3. Everything is the same as before. This Objective-C says an alias. I'm not sure about this, but it's working now. So it says there's something says here about that Objective-C language value Swift is an alias for Objective-C using Objective-C. Okay, let's just trust this because somebody had the somebody made up the time to put this on here, so let's just read it and let's see if this works. So there you have it. I'm having a green state. This says text succeeded. That's what we wanted. And if you go up to here, we have a green state. So that's it. It was a single space that was messing up everything from the start. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time.